I'm basically going to be drinking this entire Coke right now without burping. Or I'm going to try to.
Is he going to be able to do it?
I don't think so.
No way.
Well, how much do you think I can actually do? Like,
Just none. There's no way.
Alright.
There's just no way.
Maybe like a sip.
oh my god, I got to burp already. No, 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 no.
No, no. Oh my god, I'm
burping.
Okay, I'm okay still. Oh, this is hard. This feels like actually like
Does it actually hurt?
when you're playing hide the pickle and you're like really trying to hold from, you know, like that's what it feels like right now. It's the same feeling of like holding back, you know.
That was like the worst possible
Did
example.
you just compare drinking a Coke to having an orgasm?
Yeah. All right, here we go.
Chug, 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 chug. Let's go!
I don't feel good.
He did it, guys.
What the fuck?
Are you okay, bro?